Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to learn about Datadog, a monitoring tool which has been being popular day by day. So let's get started. And before starting this video, you guys need to have an account in Datadog. So you can go to this URL and Datadog official website and sign get click here and get started for free, or if you have an account, then you can go here and log in. So after you have an account in Datadog, you guys need to install an agent. uh, it work in the basis of an agent. So first of all, if you want to check the uh, metrics and all these data from your local system to a data dog, you guys need to uh, install an agent to your local system. So let's go here. So in the official documentation, let's go to install a guide. So let's go and install an uh, agent in a Ubuntu. So if you guys have not installed an Datadog, do not have account in Datadog, then they will you guys need to sign up, and after sign up getting started for free, you will get an 15 days account free. That is 14 days left for my trial. So after this, you guys will be directed to which operating system you guys use. So after clicking to that operating system or feature you guys want to install, so after that, you guys just need to copy this command and paste this command in the terminal. So I am using Ubuntu Linux, so Pop OS. So I will paste this. So if I will install this, I will not press enter here because I have already installed the Datadog, and uh, my Datadog is up and running. So you guys need to press this enter, and it will install your agent, and you guys just need to do finish in your Datadog. So after that, the Datadog comes to this dashboard of your Datadog. And one thing you need to ensure is that you guys need to uh, check the status of a Datadog agent. It says, so it is up and running. So here it is a Datadog. We have a Datadog agent, and it is up and running. So if this is off, this is not active, you guys need to start Datadog. So in this way, you guys need to start a Datadog. So after starting a Datadog, you guys can go to you guys will be having the dashboard, and it says all you can also create a custom dashboard. So let me create a custom dashboard here in my dashboard. This is the good feature of a Datadog. So let's go here. So here I can drag anything. So let me go time series. So let me drag time series here. I will save. So this is a current system CPU user over in my Pop OS. So, and you can also drag anything you want. This is an average load query value. So all these things you can drag all this, and you can also create a host map here. Your infrastructure is this, and it is Pop OS. So in this way you can make your custom dashboard. So but for now I will show you how to other functions of your dashboard. So this is of your local system. So this is an dix input output, this is an metrics, this is an networking part of your local system. So after installing agent in your local system, you can find all these metrics of your all these metrics of your local system. From that agent will be providing data to your Datadog, and Datadog will be visualizing all our data. So this and dix input output graph. So here input output weight, here latency, and dix latency graph, dix read graph, and disk write graph, read rate, write rate, CPU utilization, disk CPU utilization. All these are the graphs. So and here in the metrics, in the CPU metrics, so it is a real time value. You can also see the movement of this value. So this is a real time value which has been created, uh, passed by a agent of Datadog to the Datadog server, this server. So and this is a networking data. So here you can see a networking data. So all these are the networking output, networking input, networking output, networking input, network traffic, and all these. So this is how you install an uh, Datadog agent in your local system and graph that matrix to the all these matrices and the details of your system to the Datadog server to in your account. So in this way you can do that. And one thing I want to share it with you guys is that this API key and all these should be kept secret, because this API key will be unique to your account only. Because and if anyone get access of this API key, then they can also monitor your system. So that's why this should be unique. And yeah, and another thing I want to show you guys is to do is that I want to integrate my AWS account with Datadog, and so that I can monitor all my AWS account, AWS resources with the help of Datadog. So let's go and click here in a metrics part. So let's integrate our service. So let's integrate. We are integrating a service. So let's see. Click here in a integrate. So Datadog supports all the many features with from which you can monitor the data. So AWS is one of the popular cloud platforms. So I'm going to show you the demo how to uh, uh, integrate Datadog with an AWS Amazon Web Services and monitor your resources within your AWS in a Datadog. So in this way you can also uh, manage your resources and monitor the resources of other cloud platforms such as Alibaba, Azure, and yes, Google. It also support Google Cloud Platform and Circle CI. Other many There is many services here. You can see that yes, GCP Google Cloud Platform. So it support many systems. So to integrate AWS with Datadog, go to available option here. Click in AWS. So after that go to configuration, and here is an two options here: role delegation and access key. So if you are using government cloud or China only location, then you can go with this option. So since we are not a government cloud, neither we are China, so we will go to delegation, role delegation. So I will not I will do this manually. I will not do this automatically using CloudFront, because it will skip all the processes and steps, and we will be not able to see all the steps. So let's go and click here manually. So this is an AWS external ID. This should be kept secret. So this uh, should not be exposed in a public. So yeah, this should be kept secret. And let's go to this AWS create role. So first of all, let's go to this documentation. So here what it says is that go to I am role of an AWS account. So I will go to here I am role, and I am in I am role. So go to create role, another AWS third party. So copy this one. So control C and paste this one here. So here says require external ID. So in the external ID, you guys need to copy this one and paste this here. So you do not need to tick here in a required multi-factor authentication. So yeah, so click on next permission. So next thing you have to do is create an policy for an that Datadog role. So let's go here and see here the permissions. So if you copy all these, then it will give you full access. It will give full access to the Datadog, and if you don't want that, you can only give AWS EC2 read-only access and Cloud Watch read-only access. So if you don't want to give read-only access to all of your resources, so you can use this to one. So here you can go and create Datadog, create policy, and you can paste that and just click here review policy, and you can give a name of a policy, but I have already created that policy. So here I have already created that policy. So this is the policy. So yeah, I will add that policy here, Datadog. So I will add that policy here. This is the name of policy, and I will next tag. This is an optional, so I will skip this. And you can give the name of a role, anything you want. My data, my data dog role. So let's make it short. So here its account is this, and it's attached with the policy Datadog AWS integration policy. So now let's create an policy. Create a role. So we have created a role. So it is my Datadog role. So here uh, what we need now for an integration with the Datadog is that we need an AWS ID, AWS account ID, which is this, which is your actual account ID, not this one. So many people get confused in this. I also got confused. So I am I thought it would be better to inform you at first. So this is not your AWS account ID, but this is your you can find that in here AWS account ID. So this is your account ID in a ARN, in the middle of ARN, somewhere between there is a number. So this is your AWS account ID, and you need AWS role role name. So let's go here and say account ID. So let me copy this one and paste this here. So I will do this. I will give all the account, my account name here, and I will give the name of my role. So name of my role is my Datadog role. So here is a role. So it will check my account, check account credentials. It says it has saying checking account credentials. So it says accounts credentials are valid. Scroll down and press install to complete the setup process. So I will press here install. It will take few seconds. So yeah, AWS integration was successfully updated. So so let's go back and refresh our dashboard of Datadog. So we have refreshed this one. So you can see that everything is AWS web services has been configured. So you can see here all the resources of an AWS database. So here you can also see in the infrastructure, you can see all the resources of your data in a Datadog, all the resources of your AWS. So this is my uh, local system, Pop OS. So this is my local system. So it doesn't says and give a sign of an AWS Amazon Web Services, but all these are from an AWS. So it is given an AWS sign. So here some are not up. So it is due to it they are down in an AWS. So all these are the resources. So you can also group these resources by availability zone. So in this way you can also group these resources. You can also watch this CPU utilization and all this thing. So yeah, in this way you can add your AWS account with an Datadog. And one thing is that you can also go to the dashboard list, and then you can go to the dashboard. So let's go and see the dashboard of uh, AWS Lambda. So let's go here and AWS. So here you can see the live data, and let's go back. Let's go back and let's go to AWS EC2. So here you can see all the EC2 instances. So here you can see the live data of EC2 instances. So CPU utilization and category of an your EC2 instance. Here there are 7 T2 medium, 4 T2 micro, 1 T3AX large. So all these are also given here. So here you can see all the data of network in, network out, and CPU utilization. So and here you can also see all these data and resources, network in by instance type. So yes, so here in a dashboard you can see everything of your AWS resources. So in this way you can integrate your AWS resources, AWS account with Datadog, and you can monitor all your resources easily in a one central place. You can also add multiple AWS account in this Datadog and categorize them according to the account, and you can monitor them as well. And in this way you can integrate your AWS account with Datadog and monitor all your resources and take benefit of monitoring by Datadog. So in this way it can be done. So I hope this video was informative, and I hope you guys have learned something new. So in this way we uh, integrate AWS with our Datadog. And if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you guys learn something with this video. And yeah, and subscribe to this channel for more content, more such content. I will be delivering this type of content uh, as soon as possible whenever my time is free. So yeah, thank you everyone, see you in the next video.